Hey there, I'm Derek with WeBoost. Today, I'll show you how to install the Drive Sleek cell phone signal booster in your vehicle. You can install the Drive Sleek in any type of vehicle, car, truck, SUV, it doesn't matter. If your vehicle isn't the same as the one we're using, don't worry, the process will be the same. Your Drive Sleek comes with everything you need. In the box, you'll find the sleek cradle, outside antenna, signal booster, power supply, and magnetic vent mount. To begin, we suggest doing a soft install before you permanently run cables. A soft install is roughly running the cables and placing components where you think you'll be installing them to make sure everything fits properly and the cables will reach. Once you're happy with the locations you've chosen, then move on to a proper installation. First, install the outside antenna. Locate a spot on the roof of your vehicle at least 12 inches away from any other antennas and at least 6 inches away from any windows, including sunroofs. Placing your booster too close to another antenna may cause interference or block the signal. Placing the antenna too close to a window or sunroof may allow the two antennas to communicate with each other, causing feedback or oscillation, which will cause the booster to decrease its output power or possibly shut down. The antenna cable on the outside antenna is 6 feet long. This is by design to provide you with the strongest signal to the booster. Make sure the locations you choose for the outside antenna and booster are close enough for the cable to reach. Once you've selected a location, clean the vehicle's surface in that area, then place the antenna on the roof. The antenna features a very strong rare earth magnet that will hold it securely in place. The outside antenna also features various exit points for the cable. You can customize the antenna for your particular installation. Use the side exits when running the cable through a side door, the rear exit for hatchback and SUV rear doors, and the forward-facing exit for trunk mounting. Roof mounting the outside antenna provides the best results and gives you the strongest boost, but in some cases you may need to mount it on the trunk of your car due to the materials or design. This is acceptable, just make sure you mount the antenna vertically and provide adequate space between the outside antenna and cradle. Understand that mounting the antenna on the trunk of your car will affect the performance of your booster. Next, route the cable inside the vehicle. The cable is strong enough that it can be shut in most vehicle doors without damaging the cable. On sedans or trucks, run the cable through one of the rear doors. On a hatchback, SUV, or minivan, run it straight through the hatchback door. If mounting the antenna on the trunk of a car, run it forward to the front side of the trunk and inside. You can simply run the cable inside the door like this, or for a professional look, pull back the weather stripping from the door and run the cable underneath. Then simply press the weather stripping back into place. Route the cable along the paneling to where you'll be installing the signal booster. Make sure not to install the cabling for your booster in a location where the seat or any other moving part can slide onto or pinch the cable. Mount the signal booster in an area with adequate ventilation and within reach of the cable. Under the seat is a good location, while in the glove box is not. Connect the outside antenna cable to the booster port labeled antenna by simply pressing the connector in until you hear a click. The signal booster comes with Velcro already attached to one side. This can be used to attach the booster to the carpeting in most vehicles and hold it in place. Some common locations are on the side or top of the trunk compartment and vertically between the seats. Now route the cable from the booster to where you'll be installing the cradle. The cable is 15 feet long, so it gives you plenty of cable to work with. Route the cable underneath mats and between the seats to the dash. Then connect the cable by simply pressing the two cable connections together until you hear a click. All of the connectors snap together. If you need to move or reposition a component, just give the connectors a firm pull to disconnect them. Finally, power up the booster. Plug the power supply into a 12-volt power port. The power supply includes an integrated USB plug which supplies 5 volts 2.1 amps, so you can charge your phone or other devices fast. Run the cable to the signal booster and connect it to the power port connection. We recommend routing the power cable along the same path as the booster cable. The booster will power up, showing you a white light on the cradle, letting you know that it is providing you with a stronger cell signal. The booster will remain on whenever there is power coming from the 12-volt power port. Check to see if the power port you've chosen turns off when you shut off the car. If not, the booster will remain on and may run your battery down. We recommend connecting the booster to a power port that shuts off with the vehicle, or unplugging the booster when you're not driving. The cradle is held in place with a removable vent clip mount. Place the mount on a vent in a convenient location by simply sliding it onto the vent slats. The cradle easily connects and disconnects from the mount magnetically. The cradle will also connect to any other magnet mounts you may already own. You can also use it in a cup holder, in the center console, or anywhere else you normally store your phone. We provide you with plenty of cable. If you should have excess cable, use the included Velcro straps to manage the extra. The cradle extends from the top to fit nearly any size phone securely. Simply pull up from the top, slip your phone inside, and let the top back down. The cradle communicates directly with the phone inside, boosting the signal up to 32 times. It will not broadcast signal into the vehicle, just for the phone in the cradle. The cradle has a single light that will illuminate white, indicating that the booster is functioning properly and at maximum gain. If the light is not illuminated, that indicates that the cradle needs power. If you have any difficulties while testing or installing your booster, give us a call and we'll help you out. Please subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this every week. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.